Alright, yo, what's up? So today I wanted to make a video about how you can get this note here from the Codex, which is the happiest day ever. And I wanted to make this video because this one is quite complicated and quite unintuitive. So you have to go into the mountains and stuff. And so I even remember when the game launched, I wanted to get this Codex, and I think it was not even available at that time. And so since the months passed, I'm assuming that with all the patches, they added this note here. And so I simply wanted to make a video on how you can get this Codex right here. And so I made a pin on the map, and as you can see, it's quite very, very far from the usual map. And so in order to get it, it's also very, very, very hard. And so I'm just gonna go right here. And so here I'm teleporting to Shattered Temple Waypoint. So I'm teleporting right here. And so in order to get it, I'm just gonna show the way, I guess. I'm not even sure if I'm going to get it perfectly because it can be so hard, I guess. Alright, so what I do is that I jump here. You go all the way to the back, and then you jump. I mean, you probably don't have to go on these on the top, I guess. You just go in the back, and I think you should be fine. Can I jump here? Come on. Okay, I don't think I can jump there. So you just go behind that temple here, and you gotta climb all these rocks and these mountains. I think you have to go around here. There's a way up here. I think it's here. I think you have to keep climbing. Maybe not here. Okay, I think it's here. All right, I think I'm on the right path here. Okay, so I think it's on this rock right there. That's where I put the pin. And so there we go. There's the note. And so it's kind of like on the limit of this new map here. And so there you go. You can get the note. And you can read it if you want. And then you get the collection. And then that was actually my last codex that I needed. And so now it's completed. So there you go.